There's one number that predicts your financial future. Most people have no idea what it is. It's not your income. Plenty of high earners are broke. It's not your credit score. That just shows how well you manage debt. It's not even how much debt you have. Debt is a symptom, not a cause. The number that matters most is your runway. How many months could you survive if your income stopped tomorrow? Not how much is in your savings account. How many months of expenses it covers. If you lost your job today, how long before you're in real trouble? That's your runway. 3 months is the bare minimum. You can survive most emergencies. 6 months means stability. You have breathing room. 12 months? That's freedom. You make decisions from strength, not panic. Most people don't know their runway. They have a vague sense that money is tight, but they've never done the math. The Finance Reset Toolkit calculates your runway instantly. Plug in your expenses, plug in your savings, see exactly where you stand. Once you know your number, everything changes. You stop guessing. You have a target. Every dollar saved extends your runway. Watch the number climb. 3 months becomes 4, 4 becomes 6, 6 becomes a year. That's not just money in the bank. That's options. That's security. That's sleeping better at night. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Know your number. Change your future. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.